Start by opening the front frame. This is like opening a book but way cooler because it's tech. Next, remove the PC frame to reveal the silicone protection part. Think of it as peeling a banana, but for your tablet. Now, place your tablet inside. It's like tucking in a baby, but don't worry, no lullabies required. Gently cover your tablet with the silicone part. It's a cozy blanket for your device. Make sure the silicone cover is well adjusted, no wrinkles or bumps. We're going for a sleek look. Reinstall the PC frame. This is like putting the cherry on top of a sundae, but for your tablet. Voila, there you have it. Easy peasy, and your tablet is now superhero level protected. Remember, your tablet is now ready to face the world, or at least your living room, with its new armor. Enjoy! Don't forget to subscribe our channel.